Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today we're doing a declutter with me, speed clean, and we're just trying to get our life back together. So I've been dealing with a few issues lately. I'll talk about it more in the video. This is a collaboration with a few other ladies, so if you like these types of videos, be sure to check out the playlist that we have set up for you guys. So yes, I am back on YouTube. I'm super excited to be sharing with you guys again. I've been dealing with a few things here and there, mental health issues, and just really navigating that. So on this particular day, we were just getting things situated. It was in the morning, and I wanted to do a Saturday like clean up type day, just getting all the rooms. So that's what you're going to be seeing today. I got under the kitchen cabinet, and then I went all around the house. So I don't really clean in a particular order. I just do, and it gets done, I guess. But I hope you enjoy. So if you are new here, my name is Ashley, and I make all types of videos based on what I'm currently doing. So mostly lifestyle, motherhood, home decor. We are renting this house right here. We live in the Pensacola, Florida area. We are a family of 6. I have 4 girls. Oh, no, I don't. I have 3 girls and a baby boy. And my husband and I, we just celebrated our 11th year anniversary. So yeah, we moved to Pensacola about a year and a half ago, and we are renting this house, so we're just trying to take care of it the best way we can, and in the meantime we just try to make memories. So if you like these types of videos, like I said before, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I've been dealing with a lot of stuff, so if you need someone to talk to, because I didn't have like people I could just really talk to, because I thought I was going crazy, like literally it's so much stuff, and I think I'm going to unpack that as the series goes on, as we go through with this motivational series, because I feel like people need to hear this. And if you ever need someone to talk to, please reach out to me, message me on Instagram, just send me a quick message, and everything is confidential. So one of my favorite chores is mopping, believe it or not. I love to mop. I like the freshness it gives my house. I like to open my doors, let the sun in, all the things, right? I hate cleaning the bathroom. So let me know in the comments what's the one thing that you just do not like to do, but you know you got to get it done. My husband had already did the living room on this day, so I just went through and vacuumed. This is the rainbow vacuum, guys. It gets it done. I try to do this at least once a week. We do have a smaller vacuum that we use, but yeah, it gets the job done. So y'all, this is what came out of the vacuum, and that's me doing the living room area and this entryway area. So you got a lot of stuff. I hate carpet for this reason. And, you know, our dining room has carpet as well, so I just want to show you guys real life. But yeah, carpet is beaten up, but this is the inside of it.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I am running for you. I am running for you. I am running for you. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. I'll be your light. Your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light.
So to tell you some things that's happening, that's coming up on this channel, we're going to be doing a house hunting series. So I know you're like, Ashley, listen, hold on. I thought you guys were going to be buying a house, that you were going to be closing in January 2023. What happened with that? Guys, we backed out of the house. Our plans are, was not what God wanted, I believe, because interest rates were just super high, and it was going to cause our mortgage to be like $2,800 a month, and we were just not willing to do that. Not with the goals and stuff that we do plan with the kids, to have with the kids. I do want to travel more with them. So anyways, we're going to be going into the Airbnb scene. So we're going to be trying to find a house that can accommodate that, to either have a mother-in-law suite, or we're going to build a ADU on the back part of the house, so like accessible dwelling unit, that's what that is. Or we're going to be converting a garage into a living space. So all those things are going to be happening on this channel, so bear with us. So our lease will be up in May of 2023 this year, so a few months from now, and so we'll be starting the process in March, which is next month. So a lot of things happening with that. It's coming by really fast. We're trying to get money saved up. We're trying to qualify for the Hometown Heroes program. So it's a lot of things that's going to be said on the video and future videos, so we'll wait till those videos come out. But anyways, back to the current video. I am using the magic eraser to clean my tub. It's one of the best things for me to use for the tub. Let me know if you know anything else that works for you, that cleans the tub really good. I mean, the magic eraser get all the dirt, the grime, all the things off of it, but I'm always open to suggestions. So we're going to finish up in the bathroom, got to sweep and mop, and then we're going to go outside, fix up the patio a little bit. Guys, it's almost spring here in Florida. It's already starting to come out. The sun is starting to come out and be a little warmer. So I'm going to just pick up out there and water my plants. But yes, guys, I'm loving this collaboration because it got me out of a rut that I was in. I kept saying, I'm going to get back on YouTube. I got to get back on YouTube. I'm going to get back on there, and I just didn't. So I do appreciate Courtney for allowing me to be a part of this collaboration. It does boost my inspiration and my motivation as well. Even though I'm motivating others, this motivated me to get back. I have been trying to tackle different areas of my life. I've been using minimalism and forms of decluttering to get my life back together. So if you do see those videos on my Facebook or my Instagram, give me a like over there. Follow me over there, and I'll follow you guys back. Let me know if you're from Instagram, and I'll give you a follow back. So now we're outside. I do want to close out the video here, but before I do, I want to show you guys me being a hot mess mama. So if you're a hot mess mama like me, just stay tuned. That's all I'm gonna say. These are my plants. It's like on a little plant tour, y'all. The hose have busted, and look at me. Just look at it. Hot mess. And so I forgot to take the plant pots out, or the pot, or the plants out of the pot. Lord help. But anyways, I decided to just pour the water on top of them just like that. Yep, that's me. Hot mess. But anyways, I hope you like these types of videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next one. All right. Bye, guys.